Oh my god. Hello everyone, I'm welcome back to TechBlock. Today we're doing an unboxing video. Antec have sent over a bunch of fancy gear for us for an upcoming PC build that there will be more info on coming soon, and it won't be about this PC case or this PC build at all. It'll be like almost entirely brand new. It's going to be so freaking sick, dude. But we have a few products here that we're going to be featuring in that upcoming PC build, and I think I'll be doing probably 1 or 2 more unboxing videos, unboxing all the stuff that we're going to be putting in the new PC build. So be on the lookout for those. But as for today, we have 2 packages here, I believe. I'm pretty sure there's only 2. And one of them is a fan pack as well as addressable LED light strips for the PC. And these addressable fans and LED strips do support Asus Aura Sync, RGB Fusion by Gigabyte, MSI Mystic Light Sync, as well as ASRock Polychrome Sync. So pretty much all the, RGB syncing functionality is supported by these fans and these LED strips, which is a good thing. So we're going to be unboxing these, taking a look at them and stuff. And of course, Antec also sent over quite the liquid cooler for us as well. I've never owned a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooler, so this is going to be a first. But in the case we're building in, we can definitely fit a 360mm radiator in there. No problem whatsoever. So the one they sent over is the Mercury RGB 360. Look at this beauty. It does come with 3 fans already, which support Asus Aura Sync. Of course they do, but I'm pretty sure we're going to be replacing those 3 fans with these much more fancier dual ring RGB, addressable RGB fans here. And of course slapping in some addressable RGB LED strips in there as well. So best believe that PC is going to have a whole load of RGB. Like, oh my god, I cannot wait to receive the other package, which I think arrives tomorrow. So there'll be another unboxing video coming soon where we check out the case that we're building in. Man, am I excited for that. Oh god. Right, so for this liquid cooler, 360mm cooler here, it's gonna be dope, man. Gonna be absolutely sick. Let's get this stuff unboxed. Alright, so let's take this massive Mercury RGB 360 all-in-one liquid cooler out of this box. Come on. There we go. So it did come very well packaged, which is awesome. Damn, dude. Antec have hooked us up. I'd like to give a massive shout out to Antec for sending over the all-in-one liquid cooler as well as these fans and LED strips. Massive shout out to... I'm not sure. No idea how the hell she just heard me there, but massive shout out to Antec for sending over all these stuff for the upcoming PC build. It's gonna be so freaking sick, man. Right, so we got the karambit knife over here. Let's make sure we hold it correctly so we don't get shouted at in the comment section. This is how you hold it, right? Yeah, this looks about right. Cool. Boom. Very nice. Oh my lord, this is gonna be an absolutely beautiful PC build. The RGB is gonna be insane, as all this is gonna light up, I'm pretty sure. Damn, dude. Dual ring RGB fans. Damn. Righty. Open this up, dude. Let's see how the unboxing experience is for one of these. So Mercury RGB, we get all the things that it comes with here. Alrighty, so we have all the instructions here as well on how to set all of this up, how to, install this liquid cooler on whatever platform you're on. So it does of course support Intel's as well as AMD's AM4 platform, which I'm currently on. I've got the Ryzen 7 2700X CPU, so we're going to be installing it for the AMD platform here. And by the looks of things, yeah, you get the standoff screws here, you put that on, you put the liquid cooler on. Very, very easy to install by the looks of things, which is awesome. Yeah, it does come with like all the brackets you need and all. So that's good to know. And apart from that, let's take a look at the back, see what you get here. All right, so by the looks of things over here, they give you 2 different like setups. So if you don't have an RGB motherboard connection, this is how you're going to set that up. But if you do have an RGB motherboard connection, you're going to set it up like this instead. So I'll probably go more in detail into this. We're going to probably cover this section here and maybe even that one too in the actual PC build. But until then, if you want to pause the video and kind of read up about how this will be connected up, you can do. But I won't go too much into detail on all the things right here in this video. We'll do that in a future one. So as for all the things you get, all the cables here, of course, SATA power, all that good stuff to power the actual controller that you get here. And of course, all the RGBs. We get 3 fans, very nice. The screws are included. You do of course get 3 fans. Now these fans are different from the ones that we got here, so we'll kind of compare them in a second. But as you can see, these only have 1 ring, whereas the Prizm 120 ARGB fans that Antec sent us here have a dual ring setup, which means there'll probably be a ring here and a ring on the other side as well, which will just look very, very pretty. So as this is the 360mm radiator, we get 3 fans. If you buy the 240, you'll get 2 fans, and so on and so forth for all the other sizes. M4 backplate. Very nice that they've actually labeled everything, because sometimes this can get a bit confusing. So 2011 screws, Intel, AMD. So all labeled, all very nicely packaged. Massive shout out to Antec for doing this. I do appreciate when things are labeled. And of course, if you're kind of like inexperienced with building PCs in general, you are going to appreciate having everything being labeled for you, so you know where everything plugs into and where everything goes. We get a transit line as well, which by the looks of things is just a fan splitter, because we get free fans, so you get a free fan PWM splitter right here, which is always good. Apart from that though, we have all the screws in here. Button screws, Intel 2011 screws. We can pop this stuff back in here, as we won't be needing it at the moment. We're not actually building the PC today. We're just kind of taking a look at all the stuff that you get. Little unboxing video for you guys, as I know you all love those. Let's check out the tubes here, man. Right, so it does come with thermal paste pre-applied, but there is a little plastic guard here, so you know you don't freaking smudge thermal paste everywhere, which is always good. As for the tubes, which is something I'm always interested about when buying an AIO liquid cooler, personally, I do prefer when the tubes, you know, look good, they're nice and thick, and these, by the looks of things, are also very flexible, which is always a good thing. You get a little connection there that you're going to be plugging into, I guess, your motherboard's USB 2.0 port. Apart from that though, as for the tubes, very happy about them. No complaints on my end. They're nice and thick, they feel high quality, they look good. And as for the actual all-in-one liquid cooler, you know, block here, Antec, little logo there. And then I believe all of this bit, the Antec logo and all, that's going to all light up. It's going to look absolutely beautiful. You can probably set up some crazy like wave effects and stuff. I don't know. We'll check out. We'll do a full RGB overview of all the things you can do with this all-in-one liquid cooler. Right, and then finally over here we have the you know, radiator itself. It's decently thick, I'd say. It's going to be absolutely fine. Fin spacing seems to be okay too. Cool. I'm not going to really unbox it too much, as I may as well just kind of leave it in its packaging at the moment, as we're not really building the PC just yet. That's going to be, I think, probably midway through June, if not late June. We're going to do the full PC build, but do expect some more unboxing videos of all the parts coming in for this new PC build. So let's pop all these things back in here, and I want to take a look at the RGB fans and stuff, and the addressable RGB LED strips there as well. But apart from that, that's pretty much it for the liquid cooler unboxing, I suppose. You can put all this stuff back here, put this here as well, boom, boom, boom. So what we can do just before we move on to these RGB fans from Antec, we can probably go over a few of these specs of this all-in-one liquid cooler from Antec. Right, so as for the fan speed that you get with these fans that come with the all-in-one liquid cooler, they run from 900 to 1800 RPM, max airflow 73.31 CFM, the radiator material is aluminium of course. Apart from that, one thing you are probably interested in is the sockets that are supported, and they're all listed right here. So if you want to pause the video, see if your motherboard's supported, which chances are it probably is. Even TR4 is supported. And by the way, for AMD TR4 sockets, apparently you have to contact their regional distributors for more information. Right, apart from that, I think we should probably move on to these beautiful fans here that Antec have sent over, and of course 2 LED strips. Now, how long are these LED strips? I'm assuming they're probably I was going to say 30 centimeters in length, but no, they're 40. So you get 2 of them. ARGB port times 5, PWM fan port, SATA mode, external LED control, motherboard sync, LED speed. So you do get a fan control box, well, I'm guessing a few buttons on there as well, which can be useful. However, you'd probably want to control the LED RGB effects through software instead of through buttons on a fan box inside of your PC case. So apart from that, I think let's try to open this guy up. We do have to cut this little bit here. Boom, Antec. Check out the unboxing experience for these fans. By the way, I should probably mention all of the products featured in today's video. Links are down below, of course, as always, including, of course, the Prizm 120 ARGB fans and LED strip kit, as well as the all-in-one liquid cooler that we just checked out. So links are down below to both these products, of course, and massive shout out to Antec for sending this stuff over. Let's continue on with the unboxing. All right, so as for the fans, this is the setup instructions. Okay, you get all sorts of languages here as well. Right, so we get like 6 pieces of content here, I guess. ARGB PWM fan, ARGB PWM fan, 3 of those, 2 LED strips, both 40 centimeters long, I believe, as well as a fan control box. So let's take out one of the addressable PWM fans over here. Let's take a look at them, and let's see if we are correct about the dual ring thing that I talked about. Are we correct? Yes, we are. Ooh, this is gonna look so freaking nice, man. Damn, dude. Prizm 120 ARGB. I do like the whole material of the fan. It feels really nice. Dual rings here, of course, one on this side, one on this side. Addressable RGB. So as you can see on the package there, you can set up some crazy rainbow effects, which of course we will do, as this will be a heavily RGB build. So yeah, that's the fan. let's take a look at the LED light strip. We've taken a look at many of these on the channel, but not really many for PCs, to be honest. Let's take a look at this guy. I'll be the judge of this LED light strip. We'll judge it hard. Okay, let's see if it's any good. Is it magnetic? Does it have adhesive? All the things you probably want to know. Okay, right, let's test out whether these are magnetic. They are, as you can see. Cool, cool. Right, so our test is complete. These are magnetic, which is always good. But if the magnets aren't doing you justice, or you want to go for a more permanent solution, it does come with some 3M tape over here as well. So you can just kind of peel this off and stick this inside of your case, outside of your case, wherever you feel like sticking this LED light strip. Yeah, it is about 40 centimeters long as well, which I can confirm. And then finally, you do of course get this, addressable RGB cable here as well. So 2 LED light strips, both identical. Let's take a look at this fan control box here as well, as this is probably what houses a lot of the cables that we need to, set all of this up and make it all work. See if we can figure this out ourselves. So, got this little 4-pin connection. Yeah, this is going to go into a PWM LED, just like that. Cool. You do also get this little cable here, but this is for Gigabyte motherboards only. However, I'm currently on an Asus motherboard, so I won't be needing this one. Apart from that, though, it seems pretty straightforward on how you're going to be connecting everything up together. Over here, we have fan. We can plug the first one in, just like this. Then the RGB LED header, we can plug in just like this. Boom, simple as that. So this is pretty much how you're going to be setting everything up. And then as for the LED light strip, you're going to be plugging this one into, one of these as well. So pretty much all of your RGB LED lights will be plugged into this little fan hub here. Of course, you can plug these directly into your motherboard, but this just kind of makes your life a lot easier. Everything you just plug into this, and then this device can plug straight into your motherboard. So you can go ahead and plug this guy into your motherboard's fan header, and this guy into your motherboard's RGB header as well. And then you can go ahead and control all of these devices through, for example, Asus AuraSync, RGB Fusion by Gigabyte, or any other software you choose to use to control your RGB lighting effects. But yeah, man, looks pretty good. We have some buttons here as well. We have LED speed as well as mode. Mode possibly being the LED lighting effect mode. Apart from that though, that's the fan hub, that's the fan, that's the LED light strip. Comes with magnets as well as 3M tape at the back. And then of course each one of these fans do also come with some fan screws, so you get 4 per fan, which is always good. And by the looks of things, they even give you some double-sided Velcro. So we got Velcro here and some tape on the back, I believe. Yeah, some double-sided tape, so you can stick this on the back here and then stick this onto your PC. You can, attach these both up together and attach the entire hub to the back of your PC or anywhere in your PC via some Velcro. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to go check out any of the products featured in today's video, the liquid cooler, the RGB fans, the LED light strips, all the links are down below in the description. Those links will of course take you to Amazon, and I do use a service called Genius Link. So if you press on the link and you're in the US, it'll take you to the Amazon US store. If you press on the link and you're in Germany, it'll take you to the Amazon Germany store, and so on and so forth for all other countries. But apart from that, thank you all so much for watching. As always, links in the description down below to the products featured today, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.